Hello, this is Kogi from Kogi.in and here is the unboxing and review of Samsung Galaxy S Duos2. The box pack, Duos2, supports 10 Indian regional languages. This is an upgraded version of the Samsung Galaxy S Duos. The model number GTS7582. This dual SIM handset supports 3G and is powered by 1.2 GHz dual-core processor. The 4-inch TFT LCD screen supports WVGA resolution. There is 5MP rear autofocus camera with flash and a front VGA camera. This handset runs on Android 4.2 with TouchWiz interface. Here is the handset. We'll have a look at this later. Inside the box you will also find the battery of 1500 mAh capacity, and here is the travel charger, data cable, quick start guide, and the traditional earphone that you get with the Samsung handsets, the call button and the mic, and a closer view of the earplug. Here is the Duos2 handset. I'm going to remove the factory film, the dedicated button in the center, and two touch-sensitive buttons on either side, the side view and the rear view. The rear side is black color and has got this texture. It is with a matte finish. Almost all of the Samsung Galaxy handsets follow the same traditional design. Here is the power button on the right side, the volume rockers on the left side. On the top you will find the 3.5mm audio jack, and on the bottom the micro USB port with the mic. On the right side there is the micro SD card slot. This is easily accessible. On the top there is the VGA camera, sensors, and the in-call speaker. Let's open up the battery compartment. This is a dual SIM handset. You can see the dual SIM slots, overlapping slots. You need to use a normal SIM. The handset weight with battery is 120 grams. The thickness is 10.87 mm. Breadth is 62.79 mm. And the length is 121.26 mm. Let's power on this device. The TouchWiz interface. The performance looks pretty good. Touch is smooth and responsive. You can see the backlit buttons lighting up. The viewing angle is also good. Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering is supported. Here are the regional languages. Motion and gesture control also supported. Of the 4GB internal storage, 1.82 GB is assigned for system memory. The available space for apps is 2 GB. And of the 768 MB RAM, you get around 339 MB free. System information ARM Cortex A9 1.2 GHz. This is a dual core processor with Broadcom video core GPU. Hawaii board running on the Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean OS, and the screen resolution is 800 by 480 pixels. Here are the sensors: proximity, accelerometer, magnetic orientation sensors. The time is 22:45, battery at 47%, and the temperature at 35 degrees. The quadrant benchmark score is 3255. AnTuTu score is 11,945. Vilamo HTML5 1501 Metal 398, and Nina Mark II is 55.4 FPS. This handset supports 2-point multi-touch. I ran the benchmark apps for around 16 minutes. The battery level dropped by 7% and the temperature rose to 36 degrees. Here are the different camera modes. The rear camera is of a 5 megapixel resolution, autofocus with LED flash support. These are the options here. I'm going to set it to 5 megapixel. In video mode, you can record videos in 720p resolution. This is the front camera with VGA resolution, and it can also record videos in VGA mode. I've started the video recording and we'll check this video in MX Player. Here is the video in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. I am now using MX Player to play 1080p video, which doesn't really work well. And now we'll test out a 720p video. Switching to software mode. So 720p videos work with no issues. I have connected an external pen drive. OTG is not supported. The Samsung Galaxy S Duos2 sports a 4-inch screen with WVGA resolution and is powered by dual-core processor. It runs on Android 4.2 with 768 MB RAM and 4GB internal storage. Supports 3G, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and comes with a 5MP rear autofocus camera with LED flash and a front VGA camera. Battery is 1500 mAh capacity. OTG is not supported and you cannot save apps on the external storage. Galaxy S Duos2 is definitely a better option than the Duos handset for a price of approx. Rs 10,000. For full review, sample images and videos, visit my website kogi.in.